Hey everybody, today I'm at DeWalt with Christine. Christine's going to talk to us a little bit about some different power tools that DeWalt offers. Christine, here you are.
Well, thank you very much. And what you see behind me here is just a sampling of the outdoor equipment that we offer in 20 volt and 60 volt in DeWalt. So we've got a full range of products like the string trimmer that you see here. We'll also talk a little bit about chainsaws, and we've got a full offering of chainsaws, starting with a 16-inch bar, up to an 18-inch bar, and a 20-inch bar, and these three chainsaws all work off of our 60-volt Flexvolt batteries. And what's really great about the Flexvolt batteries, and I have one here in my hand, if you see here, they talk about 20 volt and 60 volt. So you can run them in a 60 volt tool, but then they're also flexible that you can put these same batteries in a 20 volt tool for more runtime. Great advantage as you're looking at the system. So we talked about the three bigger chainsaws, but we also have a pole saw, which you see here, which extends up to 15 feet of reach. And then also a pruning chainsaw with an 8-inch bar, as well as a 12-inch chainsaw. So no matter what you're cutting, we've got an application for you. So we also have a full line of blowers. What we have down here is our 20-volt blower. It's an axial blower, and it's ideal for any type of fall cleanup. And then we also have a 60-volt blower in the lineup as well. And then I'll just point out one more product while we're here. What you see here is a pruner. So if you've ever used manual loppers, that can be very tiring, especially if you're using them over and over. This is a powered pruner and has up to 1.5-inch cut capacity. And what I'll do is I'll just pull the blade guard off so you can see the cutting blades.
Oh, nice. Okay.
And especially if you're doing repetitive cutting, it really takes a lot of the work out of it. And we've had tremendous feedback on that product. More information online, go to DeWalt.com.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.